To Ashilebe Latifat Online Academy. So today we want to solve this beautiful question. In triangle PQR, line QR is equal to 7 centimeters and angle PQR is equal to 120 degrees. If the area of the triangle is 14√3 centimeters squared, calculate the remaining sides of the triangle. It's a WAEC question. This angle. So that means it is not a right angled triangle. It is scalene triangle. So let's sketch it. So if this side is 120 degrees, if this angle is 120 degrees. Now PQR. PQR is equal to 7 centimeters and angle PQR, that means this side will be our Q because of this angle PQR. So the middle owns the angle. Now PQR, so this side will be QR and this is P. So and QR is equal to 7 centimeters. So this is small letter R, this is small letter Q. So we want to find these sides, the two sides now. Now, and the area of the triangle is equal to 14√3 centimeters squared. So the area is equal to 14√3 centimeters squared. So those are the given parameters there. Now calculate the remaining sides of the triangle. Now we want to calculate the area of this triangle when the angle is given. So you are going to use the area of triangle is equal to 1/2, then RP or PR, then the two sides, we take the two sides. So now sine theta. So since we are given the angle, so let's write down. The area of triangle is equal to 14√3. 14√3 centimeters squared is equal to 1/2. So P is equal to 7 centimeters. Then we are yet to know this small letter R and multiply by sine 120 degrees. Now you have to understand that this sine 120 degrees, it falls in the second quadrant. And for the second quadrant, we have sine 180 degrees minus theta is equal to sine theta. And it is positive. It is positive because it is only sign that is positive there. Now, having understand that one, we now say our theta here is 120 degrees. So we say that sine 180 degrees minus 120 degrees is the same thing as sine 120 degrees. So sine 60 degrees is the same thing as sine 120 degrees. So we know sine 60 degrees to be equal to √3/2. So if you press your sine 120 degrees, it's the same thing as √3/2. So having known that one, let's now go back to this formula to substitute everything. The area is equal to 14√3 is equal to 1/2 multiply by 7 multiply by R, then multiply by, anywhere we see √120 degrees, we are going to put √3/2. So 14√3 is equal to 1 multiplied by 7, 7. 7 multiplied by r, 7 r. 7 r multiplied by root 3 gives us 7 root 3 r over 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 gives us 4. So we can now cross multiply. So we have 14 root 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 1 multiplied by 7 root 3 r. So it's equal to 7 root 3 r. So from here we can find our r by dividing both sides by 7 root 3. So dividing both sides by 7 root 3 gives us, so let's multiply 14 and 4. This one gives me 56. So 56 root 3 is equal to 7 root 3 r. So dividing both sides by 7 root 3 over 7 root 3. 7 root 3 cancel 7 root 3. So here root 3 cancel root 3. 7 in 7 1. 7 in 56 8. So this r is equal to 8 centimeters. So one of the two sides, the remaining two sides is equal to 8 centimeters. So let's go back here. So we write it in our sketch diagram. This is 8 centimeters. So we need to find the remaining side now, the remaining length. To find the remaining side of the triangle, we are going to use cosine rule. And cosine rule is equal to q squared is equal to p squared plus r squared minus 2p multiplied by r then cos 120 degrees. So this cos 120 degrees, it lies in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, it is only sign that is positive. That means sign is negative, tan is negative. So, and it will be equal to cos 180 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. So our theta here is now 120. So cos 180 degrees minus 120 degrees is the same thing as cos 120 degrees. So cos 180 minus 120 gives me 60 degrees. It's the same thing as cos 120 degrees. So and we know that any answer we get must be negative because it falls in the second quadrant. And cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 over 2. So cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 over 2. So cos 120 degrees will be equal to minus 1 over 2. So let's substitute all the values there now. So we have q squared to be equal to p squared. P is 7. So 7 squared plus r is 8. 8 squared then minus 2. 7 multiplied by 8 then multiplied by minus 1 over 2. So this 2 will cancel through here. So minus multiplied by minus gives us plus. So q squared is equal to 49 plus 64. Then minus times minus plus. 7 times 8, 56. So q squared is equal to 49 plus 64 plus 56. 49 plus 64 plus 56 is equal to 169. So take square root of both sides. Q is equal to 13 centimeters. So this side is equal to 13 centimeters. So the two sides will now be equal to 8 centimeters. R is equal to, or let me say, line side PQ is equal to 8 centimeters and PR is equal to 13 centimeters. So that is how to find it. So till I see you in the next class, thank you, bye bye, God bless you.